So hello and welcome guys on my YouTube channel Internet and Technology. Today I will show you how to install PyCharm IDE on your Windows PC. But before installing PyCharm IDE, you should have some prerequisites, like you should have installed Python console on your PC. Like I am showing you here, I have already installed it. Like this Python IDE, I have already installed it. If you don't know how to install this Python console, then I will provide the link in the description and mention in the I button. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So just simply open any of your browser and search for PyCharm. I have already searched, that's why it is showing me. As you can see that the first website is jetbrains.com. It is showing in JetBrains website because PyCharm is a product of JetBrains company, and IntelliJ IDEA is also a product of JetBrains company. If you ever installed IntelliJ IDEA, you have downloaded from this website. So just simply click on this and it will open in a while. As you can see, our first page is open here and it is showing the download button. So without wasting any time, just simply click on the download button. As you can see, there are two versions of PyCharm. First version is community version and another version is professional version. If you are a professional or want to develop extra codes, some advanced work, you can go with professional versions. As a student, I will suggest you community version because professional version is a paid version, and if you want to download it for Mac operating system, you can choose from here, and if you want to download for Linux, you can choose from here. As I am on a Windows operating system, so I will simply click on the Windows and click on the community download version because it is a free version. So I have already downloaded and I will not click here. So I will show you in my download folder where I have already downloaded it. So let's come to our download folder. As you can see, my PyCharm is already downloaded here. So I will just simply double click it, and after some time it will show me a dialog box and ask for installing. As you can see, it is showing me installation process dialog box. So I will click on the next button and it is saying on which location do you want to install your PyCharm IDE. So I will set it as a default and click on the next button, and I will check all the dialog box simply and just click on the next button, and I will leave everything as default and click on the install button, and I will meet you after some time when it will download completely. Install completely. So guys, you can see that our PyCharm IDE has been installed and it is asking for reboot. If you don't want to reboot it now, you can simply click on the second option and reboot it later, because after rebooting everything is properly set according to your PC configuration. So just simply click on the finish, and now let's move to our desktop. As you can see here, our PyCharm IDE shortcut is showing here. So just simply double click on the icon and it will show a window and it will ask something. So here it is saying screen reader is detected. Do you want to enable screen reader support in PyCharm? So it means while you are coding, it will record your screen, not in the mean of record your whole screen. It is like recording your code space what you are typing, and it will help you to enhance your coding experiences. If you want to enable this feature, you can simply click on the enable. If you don't, just click on the cancel. So for me, I will click on the cancel button, and the another option it is asking for importing the settings. Like if you have already installed PyCharm earlier or any other virtual IDE like VS Code or make any projects, it will import all file in the location of PyCharm IDE. So just I will do not import settings and click on the OK button, As you can see, our PyCharm is starting, and in a few seconds it will start. Boom guys, you can see that this kind of interfaces you will see. So just simply click on the new project, and you can see at which location my project will save. Here it will save on the PyCharm project and Python project 1. Python project 1. This is the my name of project. And after this you have to just leave everything as default, and you can see the base interpreter I have told you to install earlier, the Python console. This is the Python console location. So again I am mentioning that I will mention it on my description and I button. So without doing anything, you just simply click on the create button, and it will start building your project and creating your virtual environment which is required to run your Python project. So as you can see that it is happening. So just wait for a second, and now you can see that PyCharm has already provided us a template code. If you want to run it, you can just simply click on the run button, or you can go here and click on the run main, or here there are different ways to run it. Or you can simply just right click and run this code like this, run main. And from this, if you want to enable if you want to code your own space, you can clear all this and start coding. Like I want to run this code, so I just simply click on this button, run, and it will just run. Just you can see that hi PyCharm is printed here because this code is designed according to this. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and please press the bell icon and don't forget to subscribe. So let's meet in our new videos. So signing out.